let's learn about the famous name in Indian English writing, which is A.K. Ramanujan. The full name of A.K. Ramanujan was Attipate Krishnaswamy Ramanujan. He was basically from Karnataka, so he was having the name Attipate Krishnaswamy Ramanujan, and he was a famous Indian poet and scholar. His lifespan starts from 1829 and it lasted till 1993. He was born on 16 March 1929 in Mysore, Karnataka, and he died on July 13, 1993 due to anesthesia in Chicago, USA. The name of his father was A.A. Krishnaswamy Iyengar and his brother was A.K. Srinivasan, who was a writer and mathematician. He got he got Padam Shri in 1976, and he received MacArthur Fellowship in 1983, and he got Sahitya Academy Award in 1999 for his collected poems. He wrote in English and Kannada language both. His academic research range across 5 languages: English, Kannada, Tamil, Telugu, and Sanskrit. Important works of A.K. Ramanujan are: they are all the collection of poems, the Striders, Relations poems, collection of poems, selected poems, second sight, collected poems. So they all are the collection of poems and they are really important. Here are most important poems written by A.K. Ramanujan in the collected poems: A River, Looking for a Cousin on a Swing, The Striders, The Snakes, Bearded Fish, The Hindu, He Reads His Gita and is calm at all events, History, Obituary, Small Scale Reflections on a Great Place, Of Mothers among other things, Convention of Despair, Still Another View of Grace, Love Poem for a Wife, Ecology, On the Death of a Poem, The Black Hen. The Black Hen was published posthumously. Fiction and dramas written by A.K. Ramanujan are Samskara, which was translated of U.R. Ananthamurthy's Kannada novel in 1976. No Flower in the Navel is Kannada version of Hukalalli Hovilla. Other poems, Kannada version of Matu Itara Padyagalu. Hopscotch was a fiction written by A.K. Ramanujan, which was Kannada version of Kuntu Bille. Essays written by him are collected essays of A.K. Ramanujan and 300 Ramayans. He had translated so many works in English language also, the name of which are The Interior Landscape, Love Poems for a Classical Tamil Anthology, and he got Gold Medal of Tamil Association for this work. Speaking of Shiva, The Literature of India, Hymns for the Drowning, Poems of Love and War, Folk Tales from India, Is There an Indian Way of Thinking, When God is a Customer, A Flowering Tree, and other oral tales from India, which was published posthumously in 1997. So they are all are the translation of his works. So most important here are his collection of poems. We need to learn about the collection of poems by A.K. Ramanujan. The Striders, Relations, Selected Poems, Second Sight, and Collected Poems. And these are all are the major poems written by A.K. Ramanujan. We need to learn all of them. So this is all about A.K. Ramanujan.